Good morning, Jackie here, GM and Sales Director at Renewal, and I thought it would be fun to do a sort of day in the life. We have so much going on today. I'm going to be going out to a fire, so I thought you could stick around and see how our day is. I just dropped the kids off. I'm going to head into the office, and then we will head to the fire. Come along. Cold day today out in Western New York. We just got to the house, spoke with the homeowner and customer, getting our PPE on, our respirators, Tyvek suits, gloves, and gonna get started. Don't mind my crazy look of my face because I had the respirator on, but it is about 1:45. We've just finished up going through the house room by room, taking inventory of the stuff that we were taking from the rooms and packing the vans. We have the van packed with the pack-out bags. You can see are colored, so our production team knows what's in them. We're just finishing up our last walkthrough of the house, and we'll be headed back to our production facility to receive the bags into the building and move on to the next part, which is inspection and inventory.